Here we have Modern Loft in a khaki finish. We have a table that's 86 wide by 30 inches high by 42 inches deep. It'll sit up to 10 people. It expands with breadboard leaves up to 114 inches. So again, it's very generous table. Along with that, we have upholstered and wood trim side chairs. Along with a 68-inch wide server, nice metal hardware, generous, spacious storage. We have the adjustable leaf, and also here the same. We have adjustable shelves that also act as a wine shelf, and we have the wine glass hangers along with the wire management and AC outlets. It's done.
Okay.